Hi, I'm Mark, this is Mark's Tech Vlogs on YouTube, and this is a super quick video showing you how to replace the non-return valve on your Kia Picanto rear washer. Now, if you've got a Kia Picanto and your rear windscreen washer is either kind of dribbling or not doing anything at all, the chances are it's this valve that has gone. This is the kind of non-return valve that means water doesn't go back up into the car if it's blocked. It just kind of stops at the end. And for me, that part was faulty. These parts cost £7.50 delivered off eBay. I'll put a link below. And in this video, I'm just going to show you how to fit it. And it is really, really easy. Okay, so this is the new part. You can see that there's kind of two parts to it. There's part of a yellow end and then there's a part of a black end. So if you open up your boot, you'll see the existing part there. There's two pipes joining the white bit, which is the new part. You literally just pull those pipes apart like that. And I need both hands to do that, so you're not going to see both apart. And then once you took them both apart, you just put them back in. Now, if we come back to the picture of the actual part, it's really important that you get it back so that that chunky bit you see is facing that way and a little bit that way. Otherwise it doesn't work. So make sure you get it in the right way, just push those on and then test it out and make sure it doesn't leak. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you got any questions, stick them below and I'll answer those questions for you. I'll see you guys again soon.